How to recover your forgotten password in blockchain wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily recover your password in your blockchain wallet if you've forgotten it. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get into the video. The first thing you want to do is head over to blockchain.com, or if you have the app, you can just use the app as well. And from here, on the homepage, if you tap on the hamburger menu at the top right, you have an option to log in and sign up. So if you tap on login, you'll be taken to the login portal right here. And once you land right here, you have an option to enter your email or wallet ID and then your password. And if you've forgotten your password, you can just go ahead and tap on forgot password. So you'll have to enter the 12-word recovery phrase right here. And these words should have been given to you while you created your account, so you can just go ahead and enter the word 12 word recovery phrase. You can just enter them, and you can enter them by space, so you can separate each word by a singular space character, and then simply tap on recover account. And once you have done that, a verification email would be sent to your email to confirm your login. So you can just confirm your login from your email once you get it, and then you should be able to recover your account easily. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.